Today I'm bringing veganism to the Blackstone griddle with a veggie rice stir fry. This is an easy 3-ingredient meal, perfect for when you have limited time to whip up a healthy meal. Let's get started. First things first, we need to cook 2 cups of jasmine rice. If you're unsure on how to cook the jasmine rice on the stove, check out my detailed video on that. I will link it here and in the description below. I have heard mixed reviews on using freshly cooked or chilled rice. Do what's easier for you. Now let's get our frozen veggies ready. Any mix you like will do. Today I'm using a classic Asian stir-fry blend. Next, get a tray ready. This will make it easy to transport everything to the grill. Preheat your Blackstone grill to 375 degrees. The preheating process took about 10 minutes. First, spray a generous amount of avocado oil on the grill. This helps to prevent sticking and adds a nice flavor. Spread your frozen veggies out on the grill to defrost them. This should take only a few minutes. Now add the cooked jasmine rice. Do not chop the rice, it will make it mushy. You want to flip it frequently to ensure everything is heated evenly. Now it's time to add some flavor. Pour in a 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce. Mix it all up so the sauce coats the veggies and the rice evenly. I prefer the Wegmans brand. Most of their Asian sauces are vegan and gluten-free. Let everything cook together for about 5 minutes, continuing to stir frequently. This helps to blend the flavors and give the rice a nice, slightly crispy texture. And there you have it, a simple, delicious frozen veggie rice stir fry ready in no time. Look at all those colors, and it smells amazing. Perfect for a quick meal that doesn't compromise on taste. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more vegan Blackstone recipes. Visit my website to view the step-by-step instructions. Most of the products and equipment I used today will be linked down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.